Hi, today I am going to make for you chicken soup the way I usually make it. It's probably a little different than what you make at home. Here we have 2 chicken breasts and 3 chicken feet, and I use that instead of like a chicken bouillon. The bone will flavor the soup. Here I have diced carrot 4, and here I have diced celery 4 stalks. Here I have diced tomato, sea salt, diced potatoes, 2 bay leaf, a small onion, clove of garlic, and some parsley, olive oil, and Italian seasoning. I will also be including a secret ingredient at the end. So we're going to add to the pot. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to let that heat up. And we're going to throw in the onion and bay leaf and the garlic, and we're going to saute for a few minutes. To this we're going to add the salt, and that will help to release some of the juice out of the onions. And we let it saute for about 3-4 minutes. So this has been slowly sauteing for about two minutes. We are going to throw in the celery. And we let that cook for maybe about a minute, just to start releasing some of the juices here. Starting to smell good already. The onion and the bay leaf. To this we are going to add the diced carrots. And this will just make the carrots actually sweeter by sauteing them a little bit. And it brings out a lot of flavor to the soup. Doesn't that look good already? To this we are going to add maybe about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And you put it in your hands and you rub it just to release some of that the flavors. We are also going to add the diced tomatoes. And we let this cook now for, I don't know, like 2-3 minutes. And I'll cover it up just to soften it up a little bit. To this we are going to add our diced potatoes. Just the potatoes, no, not the water. I have them here in the water so they don't turn brown on you. And we're going to stir. And to this we will add the chicken feet and the chicken breast. To this, we are going to add some boiling water. Water is boiling. We're going to turn it off, and we're going to add probably not all of it, but most of it. It's just when you have it already boiling, its process is a lot faster. So now we're going to let it cook for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. And then we come back here to do the final step to the soup. We're going to remove the chicken breast so that we can shred it, and then we'll put it back into the pot later on. Let's see. There's one. Here's that other one. And to the soup, I have decided to add about a cup of noodles. It could be noodles of your choice. And we're going to give that a stir. And we let it cook for about 5 more minutes. And that will be it. The noodles have been cooking now for about 5 minutes. And to this, we are going to add the secret ingredient, which is a couple of eggs. So what I like to do is, I just, one more time, crack them right in there. And you want to keep them a little separated so that they don't stick together and everybody gets their own egg. And we let that cook for about 2 minutes. We're gonna put the lid back on, let it cook for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna add the chicken and add the parsley at the end, and then we're ready to serve. So it's been about 2 minutes, so the eggs should be done. To this, we are going to add the chicken back to the pot. We are also going to add the parsley chopped up. We're going to stir. And soup is ready. Have a little taste for salt, because I haven't done that yet. It's good. It's really good. So we're going to plate, and the way I do it is we're going to get a couple of scoops. Look at all that chicken, veggies. We get chicken feet. An egg. Oh, there came out the bay leaf. And there you have it, folks. So there you have it, my friends. Chicken soup, the way I like to do it. It's probably a little, like I said, a little different from what you're used to it. So now what I do is I crack into the egg, and it's still a little runny. And you just let that break it up and mix it into your broth. And it makes actually the soup a little bit more creamy, and it gives you a little bit of the eggy flavor. I would like to go for the broth first. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So good. Let's see, let's get a little bit of everything. A little bit of egg. We got carrots, we got chicken, got the noodle, some little bit of celery. Perfect bite. Mmm, so hot. Oh my god, so good. That is so good. So good, so good. I hope you guys will try it. It's an awesome soup to have in the winter time. So hearty. Well, my friends, I hope you do enjoy making this soup. Let me know in the comments if you made it the same way I did it, or if you changed some stuff on the soup. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again soon with another recipe. Thank you for watching us.